Today we're going to show you a beautiful Zodiac NZO. It's 22 feet, it can hold up to 15 passengers, 150 hours. Let's take this thing out in the water and show you what it can do. Let's talk about the overall condition of this vessel. So this has low hours. What's nice about it, it has hypalon tubes, so that's great for the South Florida weather. So you can go in the salt water and not have issues with it. We just had these serviced. The motor has fresh oil in it as well. All the fiberglass underneath is very nice, and it also does have a coating down there. So if you want to leave it in the water for a couple days, you're not going to have an issue. This would be a great tender for someone as well if they have a larger vessel. We're going to go inside right now so I can show you all the cushions and all the electronics. Right now I'm in the seating area. You can fit 5 people in here comfortably. You have a nice table that goes up. You also have a storage box underneath here. So if you open this up, you can place valuables inside. You also have a sink that operates. Locks nicely. All the stainless looks good. All of your cushions are sun resistant, or so they're not going to fade. We do have one cushion that's a different color, so you're noted. The top section here, so you do have a nice T-top. It's showing its age, but it works as it should because I'm out of the sun right now. Behind me, we have a reliable 4-stroke. It's a Mercury motor, 150 horsepower, and once again, 150 hours. Looking inside here, there's no cracks in the fiberglass. You have the NZO 680, which is the model. You do have a nice set of steps that fold down so you can get in and out if you're at the beach. And all the tubes are in really good condition. You also have additional storage over here at the sun deck. So when I come up front, you're gonna see the padding here. You can lay down comfortably. You also have an anchor box. Anchor is not included. The windscreen itself is in very good condition. You have a Lawrence unit right here. It's a 4-inch unit. And then you also have all of your gauges for your Mercury. So when you click this on, you're gonna see your fuel level, your engine hours, etc. You have all your switches for your lights which operate. And we have a total now of 189 hours on it. So all of our checks are going properly. System check okay. You've got your speed, your trip distance, total fuel used, and trip time, which is 123 hours on this one, but it's 189 total on the whole entire vessel. So I apologize for saying 150 earlier. The front section is very nice. You do have an anchor box here with an anchor included, and it's a very deep hole. This cruises at 30 miles an hour, tops out around 45 to 50. Let's test it out. By the way, if you like water sports, it does have a hookup for water skiing. So you can hook this up or put a tube behind it and have some fun with your family. Before we run it down the canal, if you have a boat like this that you want to sell, consign, go to our website, submit your vessel, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. All right, we're gonna test out the Zodiac. We're gonna run it down the canal. Let's get it on plane real quick. Smooth motor, is so quiet. Let's get it to cruising speed. We're at 25 miles an hour right now. Let's give it a little more. There we go, 30. Steering is nice, it's easy. We'll test out the speed when we get up there. This is not a speedboat, obviously, but this is something that you can bring with you can go on with your family and really enjoy. You can still talk while you're at speed. Let's trim it a little bit more. So we've got 42 miles an hour, 43 miles an hour. So it tops out at 43 miles per hour with the 150 and about 35 gallons of fuel. So it turns easy. You get power into the turn. Let's go over a little bit of chop here. Runs good. Hope you guys enjoy these videos as much as we enjoy making them. If you do, be sure to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, perfect Friday. Let's hit it. Not a bad day on the water. Let's test out reverse. We'll do another run again. If you guys have any other questions about this boat, just go to our website or click on the link below. I'm out of here. Whoa! He's not gonna get me.